Have you ever wondered how cryptocurrency investors make sense of the constant fluctuation in crypto prices? Now, understanding what I define as the tipping point price, or as they in the crypto world call the average price point, provides a crucial perspective for me. By looking at historical averages, investors can cut through short time noise to see the bigger picture. And average price or tipping point price indicate the overall market value and volatility, and which establish a benchmark for buying and selling decision, allowing us to compare between cryptocurrency, identify support and resistance level, which is essential, and then reveal a momentum and trends, which is also important for us to see. And when I look at the tipping point price or the average price for a currency like Shiba Inu, I look at both the purchases and the trades in the exchange and any receives of the assets, calculating by using the market value at the time when I buy this asset. So let's say that I buy a Shiba Inu token at a price point of, let's say, it's $1. So if the token stays at $1 and I sell, uh, I will get back the same amount I put in, uh, excluding the gas fees, which we will talk about in a later video. So that means that pretty much I stay status quo. I have not gained anything or I haven't lost anything. Now, if the price point drops below $1, I will now take a loss if I'm selling. Now, the key in with cryptocurrency or in any type of trading you could get into is to buy low and sell high. So if you put in some extra investments when the price point is lower than that or the original price average price point, or the tipping point, uh, you will also lower the average price point. So that is to me critical to understand that, because I am uh, focused on getting my average price point as low as possible. So then when the price again goes up, that will happen either when the coin becomes bullish or we are starting to experience what we call bull runs, where the market is showing a high interest in that particular cryptocurrency or in cryptocurrency in general. We will see a bull run and then the price will go up. And if I should sell at that point, when the price point gets higher than my average price, then I will start taking a profit. And this is what I'm working for, because that's why I want to make sure that my average price or my tipping point get as low as possible. So when the price point itself goes above that average price, I'm taking a profit, and I will want to get it as low as possible, because during a bull run, the price point can get very high, and I can experience a very high profit if I invested enough money into that particular asset. So the key is for me to buy a lot, or as much as I can afford to lose at the very low price point, and so I can lower my average price and then benefit from it during a bull run and get as much as the profit back to me. And in a short, an average price point or the tipping point create an informed foundation for the cryptocurrency investment and trading. It gives you a sense of the overall market value and stability of a coin like Shiba Inu over time. So that's what it's like. I don't look at the price very often. I look more at my average price to as a holder. This is important. Average price is very important for a holder, and it's also if you are day trading or trend trading. The average price or the tipping point price is also something you want to watch, so you get that lower than the what the current price point is, and then you have to decide what to sell, and you can make a nice profit over time. Uh, Looking at average price instead of just current price removes some of the noise for me, and some of the short term fluctuation, because that's what we've seen lately, that Shiba Inu have fluctuated. It's gone from one consolidation stage to another consolidation stage, and at the moment it's not breaking out. We see a little bit of bullish trends over the couple of days, but we have not seen a bull trend. When Shibarm, the L2 blockchain, is going to be released, I'm expecting to see a bull run. So it's important. It's like to develop a sense of the the price point versus the average price point, so you can make a more educated decision and more informed decision in the coin. And this also what's been all important for me to focus on the average price point. It has also helped me to not get involved as much into fear, uncertainty, and doubt. I've learned to trust more my investments. I've learned a lot more. I'm seeing more how this is impacting my investment, and for the long run. And I know that in the end, when I starting the bull run is coming, which we know will come, I'm going to see a nice profit, and I'm going to put myself in a position where I can buy back my time. I can give back to myself. I can give back to my family. I can give back to my community. I can give back to my charity. And this is the key for everything I'm doing. That's why I'm working to understand every little bit of the cryptocurrency, every little bit of Shiba Inu as I can, to make the most informed decision. That's why the average price point is so essential for me. So I hope you find this valuable. I encourage you to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, ask any questions. Don't ask me anything that have to do with any scams. I don't want any of these Telegram questions. I don't want any of this WhatsApp question. But ask questions that related to Shiba Inu, related to trusted channels. I'm only going for trusted channels like the trusted exchange that I'm already mentioned. So if that's what you're looking for, come back here, subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and we'll together build a strong community within the community, so we all can reward and reap from Shibarium, L2 blockchain, and Shiba Inu, and any other coin that you're an investor. Until next time, see you back here.